Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a review video for you of some fabulous new items that I've received from Beauty Big Bang. So it's some stamping nail art that I've had. So I'll try to move these out of the way. What I have here is a Beauty Big Bang nail stamping kit. So there's the box. And inside, obviously, I've got the business card. So you can see there's these compartments here. First off, I have some stamping plates. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 stamping plates here. So I'm going to go through those with you individually. So the first one here is BBB012 and it's a flowery style one. Then the next one that we have here is like butterflies. It's so cute. So Beauty Big Bang 025, sort of like half the butterfly wing. The next one is like a seaside theme. It's Beauty Big Bang 028 and you've got boats and sea life and things like that. Looks really cool. So then this one is another cute little floral one and it's 014. As you can see, all the little flowers there. I love that. I love flowers. So then the next one is 016 and this is just different patterns. I don't know what you would describe those as. This one is definitely an unusual one. My hubby really liked this one. It's got different mathematics symbols in there. Not that I'd know much about those. And this one is an Easter effect one. It's really cute. It's 018. We've got the bunny rabbit and Easter eggs and things like that. A little bit past the Easter time, but never mind, still appropriate. So then this one is like, so it's 024 and it's flowers in like baskets. It's really lovely. And then the next one again is different shapes or different patterns. It's 013. It's a bit like, I don't know, leopard print or cheetah print or something like that. Then we have the 015. This is a really nice one as well. Stars and things like that. My husband liked that one too. So then another flower in baskets, 023, flowers in baskets, sorry. Another really cute one. And then the next one that we have is the one that I actually used, 027. It's ice creams and ice cream sundaes and lollipops. It's beautiful. This one is a really cute one. This one is cats, 026. I've got a friend who absolutely loves cats. That will just be for her. Then I have this one, which again is butterflies and flowers, 017. Really, really cute. So then the other thing that I got in my kit was a stamper and scraper. So the bag made so much noise, I had to turn the volume down on this. I really do apologise for it, guys. So this is cool. It's a little square scraper here with the name on the side there. So cute, and I love the fact that you can just see it's perfectly clear, so I can see exactly where I'm stamping with it. That's perfect for me. And then I also have the scraper as well, and it's cute. It's like it's got all these, it's like a Christmas one. I really like it. It's one of the Christmas ones. First of all, how cute is that bow? Love it. So it's in a bag. Isn't that? And it's holographic. I love anything that's holographic. How cool is that? It's a mini folder. I love that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a design on this hand first off for this week using the stamping plates. So the gel polish that I'm using today is from Miss You Beauty and it's Glam Susie 01. So I apply this colour to all of my nails and I go in with 2 coats of this, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then with Sugar Coating 03 and a fine detail brush, I just go around the cuticle area and just do like a little bit of an ombre effect with this colour. Absolutely love these 2 colours together, I think they look really cute. So then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. 30 seconds, sorry. And then because I am doing stamping nail art, I went in, or I do go in, with my Miss You Beauty non-wipe top coat and cure that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So with the ice cream style stamping plate, I go for like a beach theme or a seaside theme or ice cream theme design. I don't know what you call it really. It was full of ice creams anyway, I loved it. So yeah, so with this one I just apply the stamping plate and then I apply Miss You Beauty's non-wipe top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. And then with this one I have Glam Susie and Sugar Coating and I just put little blobs on the nail, and before I've cured them I go in with my dotting tool and just swirl them around to get like a little bit of a marble effect, just for a little bit of difference there. And then again go in with some top coat, then cure it for 60 seconds and then go in with my stamping plate. So this one is like a little bit of I don't know what you call that, ice cream sundae. But anyways, so then I apply it to my nail and then with the dotting tool, I just apply some different gel polishes just to make that design really stand out a little bit. So I'm using red and pink and green, like a mint green, just to make that colour, that print really stand out. And then I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then again, I go over it with a top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. So then on my middle finger, I went in again with Glam Susie. So I just popped down one coat of Glam Susie, and I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then on the one side, I went in with Glam Susie 01. And then on the other side, I went in with my sugar coating gel polish. And then I went down the middle of those 2 colours to create that ombre effect or airbrushed effect, whatever you want to call it. And then I cured each layer in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. I'm just going in with another coat there just to make those colours really stand out. And again, cure it for 30 seconds. So on the one side of this design I went in with a white nail polish and on the other side a black nail polish. And so as you can see, they created a little bit of an airbrushed ombre effect. And then again, as with the previous design, I just went in with some little gel polishes, just applied them to little areas, just so that design really stood out. And then I went in with a top coat and cured it for 60 seconds. Then on my ring finger, I just went in with sugar coating just all over the nail here. I went in with 2 coats of this, and I love the glitter in this. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And then what I did on this nail is I went in with Snow Queen, which is my 4D gel, and I went around the outside of the nail and I just created like a petal effect all around the edges of that nail. I did the top half to begin with, cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I went in with this ice cream design on this stamping plate and placed that in the middle. And again, just applied some more colour to the inside just to make it stand out a little bit more. And then I finished off doing the petal effect for the rest of the nail. And then I applied top coat and cured it for 60 seconds. And then on my little finger, I went in with the Twister ice cream, which they are not my favourite, but I quite like the design. So I don't know if you noticed, but the stamping plate that I used was 027. It was the ice cream effect. I do have a discount code for all of these for Beauty Big Bang guys. I also have a discount code obviously for Miss You Beauty, which I will put in the description box below, and I will link all the items that I used in this video in the description box below for you all to check them out. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.